Okay, you know who it is, Jeff Warby Diagnostics. We're talking about preventive maintenance today. We're talking about powered windows. A lot of you have Class C's, B's, even some Class A's. The driver's side window is powered. It goes up and down. So I want to turn this around. We're talking about the seals. They get rotted. This, well, they get hard too. And it has the tendency to slow the window down, and this increases the amperage in the motor, which burns switches out, burns the motor up, and then you got to spend a lot more money. And all you had to do was put a little silicone spray down there, or a little what's that one, not WD-40, but you could any kind of lubricant, but be careful when you spray it down there, because some of them are flammable and the motor will spark. And boof, had a tech do that one time. Just gave us something to laugh at that day. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Of it. Ready? I'm going to hit the switch. Watch. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Now that's down. That's the easy part. Up. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Pretty much the same. Now I'm going to use this blaster, PB Blaster silicone lubricant. I'm going to put you on pause, and I'm going to lubricate. Well, here, I'll show you where I'm going to lubricate. Here. Hold on. I'm going to lubricate down in here. Right? You're probably better off seeing it over here. Hold on. Sorry for all the moving around and all, but that's what I do all day. Right in there. Right where the window goes up. All right? And then in here. And you want it to drip down some down inside, because this rubber goes down to about here. Same way with here. It goes right about here. All right, so here we go. We're going to lubricate it. Put you on pause. I'll be right back, and we'll time it again, or maybe you can even see it going faster. All right, so I lubed it all up. Now we're going to go down. I'm going to count so as I hit it. Wrong way. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Not bad. Now, that's the easy part. Actually, you can hear the difference in the motor. If I had an amp clamp on it, you would see the difference in amperage. Ready? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Pretty close. Look at that. Took a second off, right? Plus or minus.